In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bose QuietComfort 35 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over two main ways in which you will be able to easily set up and use your Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones on any Android device that you have. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. So, to start, you can do it through the Bose Connect app. First, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bose Connect app, but if you don't want to use the application, I'm also going to be talking about how to do it manually later on in this video. So first, if you want to use the Bose Connect app, download the app from the Google Play Store. You will be able to download it to set up any device that you connect from Bose. So with this done, follow the on-screen instructions to add the QC35. It might ask you to enable Bluetooth on your Android device, so make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and good to go, and by following the prompts on screen, it is going to tell you how to pair the headphones up. Usually you will press a specific button physically on the headphones, and now they will appear under the list of devices. They should automatically appear there, and you will be able to select them. Now, if this doesn't work or you don't like the application, you will also be able to do it manually. To connect them manually, go over to the Bluetooth settings on your device once again, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on, and now put your headphones into pairing mode. You will be able to do this by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a voice prompt indicating that they are ready to be paired. The LED indicator should also start flashing. Now, if you tap under the list of available devices and you choose the Bose headphones, they will connect to the mobile device. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged, and every single subsequent future time that you power them on in close proximity of your phone, they will automatically pair themselves up through Bluetooth, so you don't have to repeat this process every single time. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bose QuietComfort 35 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.